What's going on, guys? Justin with Z1 Off-Road. Today we are going to install a set of Utili-Track floored rails in the bed of our D41 long bed. So if you got a 6-foot bed, you want some extra load carrying capacity to strap things down, we're going to show you how easy it is to get done. Let me show you how it works. Awesome. So as you can see, we have our driver's side version already installed, but it's real simple. So we're going to pop out this rubber plug here, and we're actually going to use this as a locating feature. Okay, this one here, don't need to pop it out because we're not going to use this hole, but I'm just pulling it out so that rail sits nice and flush on the floor rail. Okay, pretty simple installation. We're actually going to use our rail as our template and our guide for our drilling. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a 3/8" drill bit, a drill stop, right? There's not a whole lot of stuff down there, but you still don't want to go very far. On this side, you have your gas tank underneath there, so a drill stop will definitely be helpful. We're going to provide you with all the hardware and these stainless steel washers to give you plenty of support for the Utili-Track. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this drain as our locating feature. So we're going to drop our first bolt in, and it's going to go fully against the furthest rear of the vehicle. The order of operation is going to go, we're going to drop our bolt through our Utili-Track. You're going to drill a hole in the bed. Underneath the bed, you're going to use our square washer. We're going to use one of our regular washers, and then the lock nut. Okay? So you'll have your Utili-Track, the bed rail here. We'll have our square washer, our normal washer, and then the lock nut. Okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to have Joey underneath. He has a 13 millimeter for our lock nut. These are 5 millimeters on the top one here. And once he gets it started, and with this securely fastened up against this hole, I'm going to shove this rail all the way back. Now we're up in the bed of the truck. We're going to just center it in this rail. And once it's centered, we're going to just use our existing holes in our Utili-Track with our drill stop, and then we're just going to work our way forward. So I have my drill stop, and it's just going to go nice and slow. Okay, there's 1, 2, now this one might be a little tight up against the exhaust heat shield on the long beds. And then the king cab trucks, you're gonna have a little less space up there to work, but you should be just fine. Okay? I'm dropping the hardware through all the bottom of these guys. Now, we're utilizing our A61 Titan floor rails. So if your rail, when it comes in the little cardboard tube, says A61 Titan, that's the long bed rail. Okay, last one. Secure. That completes the install of our long bed D41 floor Utili-Track installation. If you're looking to strap things down to the bed floor of your truck, get yourself some long bed Utili-Track from z1offroad.com today.